Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video on Tech Reviews. Today, we have a phone that deserves all the attention, the Honor X70. This is a device that's making waves with its incredible specifications, especially its colossal battery and breathtaking display. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive into every detail of this phone, from its design and performance to its cameras and battery life. Is this the phone you've been looking for? Let's find out together. Let's start with the design. The Honor X70 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, featuring an elegant glass back and a durable plastic frame. This phone is remarkably slim, measuring only 7.8 millimeters in thickness and weighing 193 grams, which makes it comfortable to hold despite its massive battery. But what truly sets this phone apart is its durability. The Honor X70 is certified with IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance. It means it can withstand submersion in water up to 6 meters, resist high-pressure water jets, and even hot water. It's also shockproof and drop-resistant up to 2.5 meters. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a phone that can withstand harsh conditions. Moving on to the screen, this is where the Honor X70 truly shines. It features a 6.79-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1200 by 2640 pixels, FHD+. What makes the screen truly special is its incredible brightness, reaching up to 6,000 nits at peak brightness. This makes it one of the brightest displays on any smartphone, even under direct sunlight. In addition, the display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for an incredibly smooth experience, and a high-frequency 3840 Hz PWM dimming for eye protection. It's also protected by a layer of scratch-resistant aluminosilicate glass. You can also use the screen with ease even in heavy rain or while wearing gloves, thanks to its AI Rainstorm Touch and AI Glove Touch technologies. Under the hood, the Honor X70 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, built on a 4-nanometer manufacturing process. This octa-core processor delivers smooth and stable performance for daily tasks, running apps, and gaming. The phone comes with multiple RAM options, up to 12 gigabytes, and internal storage options up to 512 gigabytes, though it's important to note that it does not support external memory cards. The phone runs on Android 15 with macOS 9.0 interface, which offers a smooth and feature-rich user experience. As for the cameras, the Honor X70 features a 50-megapixel main rear camera with an f1.9 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization, or OIS, for stable and clear photos even in low-light conditions. The camera supports video recording in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization, or EIS, support. The front camera is 8 megapixels with an f2.0 aperture and supports video recording in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Overall, the cameras deliver good performance for daily photos and video calls. And here we come to the most prominent feature of the Honor X70, the battery. The phone comes with a massive silicon-carbon battery with a capacity of 8,300 milliamp hours, making it one of the largest batteries in the smartphone market. This enormous capacity ensures incredibly long usage, potentially lasting up to 2 days or more on a single charge, depending on your usage. It's not just about capacity. The phone also supports 80-watt fast charging, allowing you to charge the huge battery in a very short time. What's even more exciting is that the 512GB version also supports 80-watt wireless charging. It also supports 5-watt reverse charging via the USB Type-C port.